You never heard before. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Don't tear my heart, my achy breaky heart. I just don't think you'd understand.
Oh yeah.
But if you tear my heart, my achy breaky heart, it might blow up and kill this man.
Tulungan natin si Tatay. At saka, meron po kayong cake! Ayan! Ito po kayong nanay at tatay. At syempre, meron din kayong balloons! Okay? Makasabit kayo! Naiyak si Sir. Dito kayo, Sir. Oh, at least, natin happy birthday, Sir. Dito po kayo. Okay? Okay, picture! 1, 2, 3, smile! Naiiyak si Tatay!
If I could give another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I'd love, love, love to dance with my father again. When I and my mother would disagree, to get my way I would run from her to him. He'd make me laugh just to comfort me, then finally make me do what my mama said. Later that night when I fell asleep, he left $1 under my...
Andiyan na tayo sa birthday song ni Daddy, ah!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Isa pa! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy
years.
Ah!
Extended.
More wish! Wish, wish, wish!
Oh, draw kayo na.
Blow kayo na.
Blow! Happy birthday, Sir Jose! Happy birthday! Itinda po si Sir. Ayan. 38. Ayan. Sir, meron po ang nahandang letter po ang inyong anak. So, ang inyong mga anak. Pwede ba natin basahin? Ma'am Jay.
When?
Ma'am Jay, doon ka sa tabi ni Lolo. Doon ka sa tabi ni Lolo. Yan.
Sa pinakamamahal naming padong, happy 83rd birthday. Agpaspasalamat kami kini Apo Diyos ta naabot mo pa'y iti 83rd nga birthday tatta. We may not be there physically, but we would like to tell you that we always remember your birthday. Hope this surprise will make you happy.
Surprise talaga.
Saan ka nga agpangpangat? Sundin mo lahat ti sinabsabi ni Madong Kanyayo. You should take care of yourself during this time of pandemic. Mahirap magkasakit. Hope to see you soon pag natapos na itong nararanasan nating pandemic. Stay safe and may God bless you always. We love you and enjoy your day. From Grace, Gina, Imelda, Voltaire, Aristotle, Carmen, Cooper, and Hamilton.
Ayan! Happy birthday po, Sir Jose! Andiyan pa yung anak na si Sir. Sir, ano pang mensahe niyo po?
Nag-join ka ng opinion na lang.
Opo. Ano po ang masasabi niyo, Mother, sa inyong mister?
Lola, si kayo ka
Lola.
message.
Ano message niyo kanya ni mister niyo? Oh.
Siya 100 years. My wish is to reach 100 years. So that I will receive 100,000.
Ang message ko,
Opo.
pagsingsingpot, saan nga nabamag, kalakayan. Pag may mangyari sa kanya, walang awan mangipumpun kanyam no, ada mangyari. Kaya, careful,
Ditanak ba yung unong kimalayan ang ka?
careful all the time. That's just your way of showing you love me. Okay.
Okay! Kiss! Kiss!
Kiss me.
Oh, birthday
Siya nga
kiss!
kisan.
Oh, kiss tatay! Wow! Nag-sweet! Ayan!
Okay.
Ayan! Oh, sir, ano po masasabi niyo po sa inyong mga anak?
Sikat, nag-line ka nga ng prepare, anak.
Ang galing-galing na prepare. Narinig niyo sabi ni tatay na surprise siya. Oh, may
Salamat
sound po.
sa mga anak.
Sa mga anak po.
Salamat ka.
Salamat kanya yung amin nga anak me. Nag-line kayo ngo ng parangsak. Kanya, ti 38th birthday. 38th birthday. Jak mo, awan ti mo nga kastoy. Sinurpresa na. It is really
And
an
how is the feeling?
outstanding surprise. And I feel very grateful to all my children for having thought
For
of
making
raising
me happy.
For
I'm
making me
very
happy.
happy.
I am very happy.
Tadi lang inabak ni Mami yun. Akala niya, agad to eh.
Oh, adayan mo.
Ayan.
Awan din mo.
Masaya, sir?
Masaya na ragsak.
Maragsak ka na!
Ragsak. I was really surprised.
From me, you. 30,000 ni Mami. Sige, 10,000
Okay na
lang
po
din.
yan. Okay, okay, sir. Yung message niyo po.
Well,
Okay na. So, in behalf of Elementary Flowers of Unfortunates, gusto ko po magpasalamat kila Ma'am Grace, Ma'am Gina, Ma'am Imelda, Sir Voltaire, Sir Aristotle, Ma'am Carmen, Sir Tupper, and Sir Hamilton. Ayan. All the way from Brunei, Australia, USA, Laguna, and Cuba! Happy 83rd birthday, Sir Jose! Ayan! Palakpakan natin! Ayan! Surprise ko! Surprise daw! Okay, thank you! Ingat po kayo dyan! Bye! Happy birthday ulit! Sige!
Bye-bye naman daw. Sunod
na. Sige!
Sige, Pai!
Nene!
Nay?
Ano tayo?
Nay, sige, Pai!
Nene!
Sige, Pai! Nay, nay, nay!
Nene! Sabi ko!
Umuuna, gumadadaw.
Mabiglig ka lang ito.
Nagado! Nene! Nagado! Nene! Sige, bye! Nene! Nagado! Nay! Amin na nga daw!
Nay?
No!
Nay, 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 nay!
Nay, ano ko tayo? Kami na ka sa karibaw. Sa karibaw ko ron, manuwa ribaw. Nay, manuwa karibaw.
83,000.
83,000!
Nada na. Nada.